Are you also worried about vast syllabus of UPPSC and don't know how to cover UP Special? Well, worry not. Epix Academy has got you covered. The UPPSC exam is one of the most challenging state services examination. The syllabus is vast and time is limited. To support your final preparation, we present the UP Special Crash Course for UPPSC, designed to make your preparation fast, effective, and focused. This course offers comprehensive UP focused syllabus coverage, updated current affairs, and state specific topics. Apex Academy has uploaded Crash Course for UP Special on its YouTube channel, accessible to all. Give your preparation the final push it deserves and step closer to success in UPPSC. For more details, view the caption.